Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today let us see the three Vedic max tricks, okay, in one video. These are very magical tricks. You can do the sums in seconds, okay. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe my channel, like and share my videos. See, whenever you find the questions like this, 102 into 105, okay, and 108 into 106, any random number that is more than 100, this trick is applicable. So let us take the first problem, that is C102. I will write how many numbers are more than 100 here? Two numbers. That is 100 plus 2 is nothing but 102. Here also, how many numbers are added to 100? 5, right? So I will write 5 here. So now next is, see, 102 plus 5 is how much? 107. Write down. You can see either this way also. 105 plus 2 is how much? 107. Both are same. Now next step is multiply these two. 5 twos are 10. This will be your answer. Understood? Simple. So you can do this way also. I'll show you one more example if you have not understood. See, 108. How many numbers are more than 100 here? 8 numbers are more. Okay, here also, how many numbers are more for 100? These are 6. Now next, 108 plus 6 is how much? 114. You can see this also. 106 plus 8 is how much? 114. Then next is multiply this. 8 6 are 48. Isn't it easy, friends? Okay, now let us see one few more numbers. That is 96 into 98. Here I will write 96. Okay. How many numbers less are there here to 100? That is 4. Okay. Now here 98. How many numbers are less to 100 here? 2. Okay. So less means you have to do the subtraction sign. Okay. Now you see 96 minus 2 is how much? 94. Either this way also you can do. 98 minus 4 is how much? 94 only. Okay. Now next step is multiply this 2. 2 fours are 8. That is nothing but 0 8. You have to write two digit numbers. So this will be your answer. So let us take one more example and understand betterly. How many numbers we have to add to get 100? Here we have to add 8. Here also, how many numbers you are going to add? Just 3 numbers. We have to, this is number less to 100, no? So we have to put the subtraction sign. Now 92 minus 3 is how much? 89. Okay. Now either this way also you can do. See, 97 minus 8 is also 89. And then multiply. 8 3 8 3s are 24. Okay. Isn't it easy, friends? Yes. Now let us move on to the next trick. That is trick number 2. So whenever you find any number, multiply by multiplying with 15. So we have to remember this. Firstly, what I'm going to do, what number they have given, just write down 168, then add 0 to this number. And next, you have to take half of this number. Okay, 0 I will write as it is. Then half of 8 is nothing but 4. Then half of this 16 will be 8. Then what you should do is add this. Okay, 0 8 plus 4 is nothing but 12. Then 8 plus 6 plus 1 is nothing but 15. Then next is 2. Okay. See, isn't it easy, friends? We have done this in seconds. If you can take any random number. Okay. See, now one more time. 135, I will write as it is. I'm adding 0 to this number. See, if you don't know to do half of this number, you can just subtract this number, multiply this number by 2. Okay. So, if you do multiplication with 2, you will get it as, see, 2 6 is nothing but 2 6 12. Okay, 2 7 is nothing but 14, and then 2 5 is 10. Okay, now just add this numbers. Okay, 5 7 plus 5 is nothing but 12. 6 plus 3 is 9 plus 1 is 10. And then 1 plus 1 is nothing but 2. 2025 is your answer. Isn't it easy, friends? Yes, this is the trick applicable only for the numbers multiply by 15. Okay, now the last trick is, see, whenever you find out this, whenever you find the numbers like this 34 into 99, if you have two numbers, you should have only two nines here. If you have three numbers, you should have three nines. Then only this trick is applicable. So next step is, see, first what you should do, whenever you get the number 34 into 99, what you're going to do, first subtract it with minus 1. 34 minus 1 is how much? 33. Okay. This 33 you have to subtract with this number. Okay. 9 minus 3 is nothing but 6. 9 minus 3 is nothing but 6. 3366 is your answer. Okay. Now next, let us do. First subtract minus 1 to this. 2 minus 1 is 1. This 3 and this 4. Now subtract this with this 3 nines. Okay. 431. Do the subtraction. 9 minus 1 is how much? 8. 9 minus 3 is nothing but 6. And 9 minus 4 is 5. 431,568 is your answer. Isn't it easy, friends? Yes. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe my channel, like and share my videos. Thank you.